Good morning. We're going to go over camscanner and how to use it here. So first, you need to go and take pictures via your camera. Make sure that the pictures are clear. Make sure that you can see the entire page. Have a little bit of a border around it. Make sure there's no shadows. Now, after you've done that with your camera, also make sure your lens is clean. Go into the camscanner app here and go to import images. And here you can import pictures. So let's see if I got one right here. This will work. So let's say it's two images. So you click that one, click this one. Another thing you can do is you can slide your finger and it'll select all that you slide. But if not, you can just click on them individually like this and you'll be able to pick them. So I'm going to unclick these ones. I'm going to click on this one and this one to give you an example. So down here at the bottom, you'll see magic color and auto crop. So we're going to do that and see what happens. Sometimes it works really well, other times it doesn't. Magic color is one of the different filters that can be applied. Magic color is usually your go-to one, but you can change it once you get going. So hit the magic color auto crop at the bottom, and then here at the top, hit import. Now what that does is it imports it and it auto crops it, but we have this one page sideways, which is okay. Sometimes you need to change the rotation. That is a long hot dog style printout paper, so that one will be okay that way. But let's click on this first one. It looks like it cropped quite well, but if not, up here in the top there's a little crop button. You can click that and see that's where it auto cropped, which did really well. But if not, you can move these around and get them cropped where they need to be cropped, and then hit next. Now when it does that, it brings you back into these filters, and you can click on the different filters and see what it would look like if you use these different filters. So that's the original. This is what like the no shadow looks like. Here's what the magic color looks like. Looks good. You can go with any of these ones that look the best, but usually magic color is the best. So we're going to click accept. Now we're just on page 1 of 2. So if we slide over, here's page 2. See how blurry this copy is? This will get rejected when it gets turned in for processing. And see how it cropped? It did not crop very well. So you can press all, and then you can, so it goes out to the entire picture, and then you can bring this back in. There we go. And then I'm going to rotate it. So the little rotate button down here, and then I'm going to hit next. Now, magic color, there's the lighten, which might make it a little bit better. The original, no shadow. But as you can see how light this is, the pen ink is super light. So I don't know if it was just this light when they turned it into me, or if their pen wasn't working. But this will get rejected, and then there's going to be payment issues and everything else to go with it. So even if we went with magic color, it's too blurry to be able to read. And you can see here just how blurry these words are. You can barely make them out. So this will definitely get rejected when it gets turned in. But let's say it was good. So at this point, at the top right here, you'll see the little 3 circles with the 2 lines. That's the share button. Don't do that yet, because if you hit that button while you're on page 2 or you hit it while you're on page 1, it'll only share these. So you either need to go back on your phone, or this arrow to go back on the left, top left here, click that. Now you can see where I can see all of these pages at one time, and if there's more pages, they would be down more, going down the page, and you could scroll up and down. Now at this point, don't hit the share button, because right now they're still in a picture form. So you want to hit this PDF button, and then you have the PDF, and here you can see up and down. You can scroll down all the pages, then hit share. Now my preferred method is I have Gmail, and I like to use my Gmail, so I click Gmail, and then I put in my Gmail and anybody else's that you might need to send it to, and hit send. And boom, just like that, it's done. Then obviously the ads, and then get rid of the ads, go back. Now back out, back out. Now it's right here, this very top one, see, 224, 1017. that is the one I just did. So if I need to get back into it, I can again hit PDF and share it if I forgot to send it to somebody. So then I have a log of all the ones I've sent, and this is the best way to make PDFs. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial on how to use camscanner.